Welcome to our special home decor series. Today we're diving into the world of color and how it can transform your living spaces. Choosing the right color palette for your home is an essential step in interior decorating. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of selecting colors that resonate with your style and create harmony in your space. This video is broken down into parts, with each part having a small explanation to help in understanding each concept or part. Let us get started by quoting Russian painter Wassily Kandinsky, who once wrote, "Color is a power which directly influences the soul." Part 1. The power of color. Let's start with the basics. Color has a profound impact on our emotions and the ambiance of a room. Different colors evoke different feelings. Warm colors like reds and yellows can make a room feel cozy and energized, while cool colors like blues and greens create a sense of calm and tranquility. Neutral colors like whites and grays provide a versatile backdrop for any style. Part 2. Define your style. Your color palette should align with your personal style and the mood you want to create. Are you drawn to modern, minimalist design? Or do you prefer a more traditional, cozy atmosphere? Gather inspiration from magazines, Pinterest, or create a mood board to help define your style. But what is a mood board? Can I provide you with a more comprehensive explanation of a mood board and its significance in interior design? I most certainly can. A mood board is a compilation of various design elements, including images, colors, textures, fabrics, and other design components, meticulously curated and arranged to serve as a source of inspiration for the interior design of a room. Essentially, it is a visual representation of the interior designer's concepts and serves to guide the client and design team throughout the project. The primary objective of a mood board is to capture the overall aesthetic of a room and to help interior designers and decorators plan the look and feel of a space. It enables them to experiment with different design ideas and combinations of colors, textures, and materials, while also facilitating communication between designers and clients, resulting in the creation of a cohesive and stunning interior design. Part 3. Consider the room's purpose. Different rooms have different purposes, and your color choices should reflect that. A bedroom should promote relaxation, so consider soothing colors like soft blues or muted purples. In contrast, a kitchen might benefit from lively, energizing hues like cheerful yellows or vibrant greens. Part 4. The 60-30-10 rule. To create a balanced color palette, follow the 60-30-10 rule. Choose one dominant color that covers about 60% of the room, a secondary color for 30% often used for furniture and textiles, and an accent color for the remaining 10%, except for decor and accessories. This rule ensures visual harmony. It is important to consider the overall style and mood you want to create when selecting colors for your home. Neutral colors like white, gray, and beige are often popular choices, but bolder colors can also be used to create an eye-catching look. It is important to consider the colors of your furnishings, walls, and flooring when selecting a color palette. Additionally, consider the natural lighting in your home and the mood you want to create when you are selecting colors. Experiment with different color palettes until you find the right one for your home. Part 5. Test paint samples. Never skip the step of testing paint samples. Paint a small section of your wall to see how the color looks in different lighting conditions throughout the day. It's amazing how a color can change from morning to evening, which is why we advise to always color swatch samples on your walls before making the final decision. Narrow down your choices to about 3, then grab small sample cans for swatching on your walls. Then make your final choice only after you see how the natural lighting from morning to evening plays on these colors. Part 6. Harmonizing color schemes. Complementary, analogous, similar, and monochromatic color schemes are essential concepts in color theory. We'll explore how these schemes can help you create balance and visual interest in your home. Complementary, analogous, and monochromatic color schemes are 3 different approaches to combining colors in design and art. Each scheme has its unique characteristics and creates a distinct visual impact. Let me explain a little about each one with examples. 1. Complementary color scheme. Definition. A complementary color scheme involves using colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel. Principle. Complementary colors create high contrast and vibrancy when placed together. They intensify each other and make each color appear more vivid. Example. The classic complementary pairings are red and green, blue and orange, and yellow and purple. When used effectively, this scheme can create dynamic and visually striking designs. 2. Analogous, similar color scheme. Definition. An analogous color scheme uses colors that are adjacent to each other on the color wheel. Principle. Analogous colors share a similar wavelength and create a harmonious, pleasing effect. They work well together because they have a natural connection and can evoke a sense of unity. Example. Choosing colors like yellow, yellow-orange, and orange for a design would be an analogous color scheme. This scheme is often used to create a sense of continuity and a calming atmosphere. 3. Monochromatic color scheme. Definition. A monochromatic color scheme involves using variations of a single color. Principle. Monochromatic schemes are based on the use of different shades, tones, and tints of one color. This approach creates a sense of simplicity, elegance, and cohesion. Example. If you choose blue as your primary color, you can use light blue, dark blue, and everything in between as your palette. Monochromatic schemes are popular in minimalist and contemporary design. Here's a simple breakdown. Complementary creates contrast and tension. Analogous provides harmony and a sense of cohesiveness. Monochromatic offers simplicity and a clean, unified look. Ultimately, the choice of which color scheme to use depends on your design goals, the mood you want to convey, and the context of your project. Each scheme can be a powerful tool when used effectively in interior design. Part 7. The role of neutrals. Neutrals are the unsung heroes of interior design. We'll discuss how incorporating neutral colors into your palette can add sophistication and allow your chosen accent colors to shine. The statement neutrals are the unsung heroes of interior design highlights the often underestimated and crucial role that neutral colors play in the world of interior decorating. Here's an explanation of why neutrals are considered heroes in this context and how they can enhance your interior design. 1. Background and balance. Neutrals, which typically include colors like whites, grays, beige, and soft pastels, act as a neutral backdrop in a room. They provide a sense of balance and calm, allowing other more vibrant or intense colors to stand out. When used as a foundation, neutrals create a serene and visually appealing environment. 2. Versatility. Neutrals are incredibly versatile and can adapt to various styles and design preferences. They serve as a blank canvas that can easily accommodate different color schemes, furniture styles, and decor elements. This adaptability makes them suitable for both traditional and contemporary interiors. 3. Sophistication. Neutrals are often associated with sophistication and timelessness. They lend an air of elegance and class to a space. This makes them a popular choice in upscale and luxury interior design where a refined, understated look is desired. 4. Enhancing accent colors. Neutrals act as a foil to accent colors. When you incorporate vibrant or bold accent colors into a neutral color palette, these accents become more prominent and visually striking. Neutrals provide a visual balance that prevents the room from feeling overwhelming or chaotic. 5. Visual rest. In interior design, it's essential to strike a balance between bold and soothing elements. Neutrals offer a sense of visual rest and can help create a comfortable and relaxing atmosphere. They work particularly well in spaces like bedrooms and living rooms, where relaxation is a priority. 6. Timelessness. Neutrals are less likely to go out of style compared to trendy or bold colors. This longevity is an advantage, especially if you want your interior design to remain appealing and relevant for years to come. In summary, neutrals provide a versatile, sophisticated, and balanced foundation for decorating your living spaces. They allow other colors to shine, enhance the overall aesthetics of a room, and ensure that your design remains timeless and adaptable. Whether you're aiming for a tranquil retreat or a vibrant, eclectic space, neutrals can play a crucial role in achieving your design goals. This is also why neutrals are recommended for those who are looking to sell. Neutral colors allow others to envision themselves within the space more easily. They allow for envisioning their own furniture against a neutral back color easier than with bold colors, as bold color may not be one they like. This can make it hard for someone to envision as their things would clash. Most repaint these walls. Having them repainted to a neutral color can only help your chances of a sale, and you would recoup the price in the asking price of the home. Most keep the fresh, newly repainted, neutral-colored walls and only add their own special touches here and there. Part 8. Personalizing with accessories. Accessories like pillows, artwork, and decor pieces are an excellent way to introduce accent colors into your space. We'll show you how to use these items strategically to tie your palette together. The placement option for introducing accent colors into your space involves strategically positioning these items to create visual cohesion and harmony within your overall color palettes. Let me break down of how this works. 1. Introducing accent colors. Accent colors are typically vibrant or bold hues that add interest and personality to a room. These colors can be found in various decorative elements, such as throw pillows, wall art, vases, or decorative objects. 2. Strategic placement. To effectively tie your color palette together, you'll strategically place these accent, colored accessories in key areas of your room. The goal is to distribute these colors in a balanced and visually appealing manner. Do not clump them all together in one area or space. 3. Creating focal points. This not only highlights the artwork, but also brings that accent color into the room's overall palette. 4. Balancing the visual weight. When arranging pillows or other decor items, consider the visual weight of the colors. If you have a predominantly neutral color scheme, using a few strategically placed, brightly colored pillows can balance the room's look and make it more lively. 5. Repeating colors. Another strategy is to repeat the accent colors throughout the room. For instance, if you have a teal throw pillow on the sofa, you can echo that color by adding a teal vase on a nearby shelf or a piece of artwork with teal accents. This repetition reinforces the color scheme and creates a sense of unity. 6. Mixing and layering. Don't limit yourself to a single accent color. You can mix and layer different accent colors to add depth and complexity to your decor. However, be mindful of maintaining a sense of balance and not overwhelming the space with too many contrasting hues. 7. Consider the room's purpose. Keep in mind the mood and atmosphere you want to create in the room. For example, if you're decorating a living room where you want a lively, energetic vibe, you might use bold accent colors more liberally. In a bedroom where relaxation is paramount, use them more sparingly. 8. Seasonal changes. Accessories are also an easy way to update your decor with changing seasons or holidays. You can swap out pillows, artwork, or decorative items to introduce seasonal accent colors and themes. By strategically placing accessories with accent colors throughout your space, you can effectively tie your color palette together and create a cohesive, harmonious look. This approach allows you to infuse your personality and style into your decor while maintaining balance and visual appeal. Part 9. Review and recap. We've covered a lot today. Remember, choosing the right color palette for your home is a personal and creative process. Take your time, gather inspiration, and test your choices. Whether you want a tranquil oasis or a vibrant, lively space, the right colors can make it happen. Thank you for joining us on this journey into choosing the right color palette for your home. We hope you feel inspired and ready to transform your living spaces into havens of beauty and harmony. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are also on their interior decorating journey. Until next time, happy decorating!